is the shortest giveaway we have ever done and the oldest. Let me introduce you to our 1970 Ford Bronco, fully restored and modified to perfection. This has a lead foot gray exterior with a brown saddle leather interior that has to be seen to be believed. It has 35-inch tires, a fully restored 302 with a 3-speed manual transmission. This has a hardtop, vintage air, and it comes with $50,000 in cash. If you want to park this Bronco in your garage, just go to forge4by4.com. Become a member, you're automatically entered to win. Good luck.